Hello today I'm going to show you another unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the Roro Skin 3-in-1 Foldable Inductive Charger Set. It's a MagSafe compatible wireless charging station for our iPhone, or Apple iPhone 15, 14, 13, 12, 11 Pro, Max, Plus, and of course, because it's a 3-in-1 device, additionally, you can recharge your Apple Watch Ultra and standard Apple Watch 9876543 and SE, and you can recharge your AirPods 3 and 2 Pro. This is a travel wireless charger with a C adapter. So, this 3-in-1 wireless charger for Apple devices can recharge 3 devices in one go. This is a good thing because of course, you have a smartphone, and if you wear an Apple Watch, you have, of course, a smartphone and a smartwatch because they are paired each other, and then both of them has to need energy. Yeah, and this device here can deliver this, and that means you can use both of them in one device with only one AC adapter. Really cool. And if you have an iPhone 15, 14, 13, 12 series and an Apple Watch Ultra 2, Ultra or standard 9, 8, 7, 6 and so on, you can recharge it because there is an included 18-watt adapter, an AC adapter. And if you have the AirPods, which can recharge inductive style too, you can add this to this 3-in-1 wireless charger station. And because of the 18-watt adapter, it can quickly charge all our devices at the same time. And it's portable and foldable design. Because this is a nice travel charger, or this is a charger which you can use in your bedroom or on your desktop or where you like. It charges in a stand way of your smartphone, so you can use your smartphone while it's recharging on the station. It's a foldable, small device that's not only needed for our home and office use, it's also perfect for taking it with us while we are on travel or on vacation. We no longer need to carry multiple chargers for us and our devices during our travel and business trips. And on top, safe charging and reliable services. The iPhone wireless charging stand with overcurrent protection, overvoltage protection, and overtemperature protection, as well as foreign body detection function. Equipped with a non-slip silicone pads, this ensures a safe and stable charging. And it comes in a good shape, as you can see. It is good designed, it is a compact design, and it makes a good job, as you can see. And it's compatible with MagSafe system. Of course, you can recharge G standard devices, but there's a problem because of the tilted way you can recharge, and this is the MagSafe compatible thing. Of course, you can use a MagSafe compatible case for it to recharge your phone too. The 3-in-1 charging station conveniently fast charging for Apple devices with the included 18-watt AC adapter. The phone charger output is up to 15 watt. The headphone output is 5 watt and 3 watt standard for the Apple Watch. With a built-in strong magnet, the charger can precisely align the charge of our iPhone and watch. And everything is included what you need. The package included the 3-in-1 foldable charger, an 18-watt charging plug, an USB-C charging cable, and a lot of energy for your phone. This will bring you a long time forward. And that's not only for one device, no, it's up to compatible with 3 devices in one go. This is the Roro Skin 3-in-1 Foldable Inductive Charger for MagSafe systems. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.